Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Technology Tricks. So today I'm going to tell you how to lock your WhatsApp with your fingerprint. So let's open the WhatsApp first. Then click on three dots and open the setting. Now open the account. And now open the privacy. And open the last option named with fingerprint lock. Unlock with fingerprint. Enable this option and touch the fingerprint sensor to confirm your fingerprint. So finally fingerprint lock has enabled. And there are some options to lock your WhatsApp. Number 1, immediately. Number 2, after 1 minute. And number 3, after 30 minutes. But I prefer immediately. Let's check the WhatsApp fingerprint lock. That's how it works. Guys, open your WhatsApp. Touch the fingerprint sensor. Now it's working. Guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe Technology Tricks.